Alright, as usual, we're going to need Termux for this method, so quickly go ahead and install it. Full guidelines and commands are given here in this GitHub repo. I'll put the link in the description. First, you need to install Python 3.10 in Termux. First, give Termux storage permission. Now run these commands and follow my lead. Now, this part right here will take a while. It might seem like that it's stuck, but don't worry, just be patient. Now clone the script. If you don't have Git installed, you're going to see this, so make sure to install Git first. Change directory to the cloned folder. Now follow my lead and paste these commands to install the requirements. Now run the script. It will ask for your Grass user ID. Here's how you can get it. Install Kiwi Browser from Play Store and log into your Grass account. Go to the developer tools and paste this inside the console tab. You can find this line on the GitHub repo. Press enter and you will get your user ID. Copy it and paste it in Termux. You might run into error if your network quality isn't good, or you might be using a shared network and might have other Grass IDs connected to device. But if everything remains alright, you will see this, which means it's working. Simply keep it running in the background and let it collect points for you. This is far better than keeping the browser running in the background and exhaust your phone. In the next video, I'll show you how to use proxy and earn way more points in Grass than you're earning now, so stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching. If the video helped, make sure to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. See you in the next one.